How to add cinematic bars in the Filmora editing app. If you are wondering on how to add the cinematic bars and make it look more unique and professional, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app, just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit, just like this. Now to add the bars, tap on the sticker option right here. Tap on it. Then tap onto the search bar right here. Then type cinematic bars just like this and search for it. And now here you can find the cinematic bars right here. Now simply choose one to add just like this. And now you can see the cinematic bars has been added. Now simply edit it just like this. Tap onto the check mark. And now you can see the cinematic bars has been added. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.